All right, let's try this again. I think I have the app updated for the drone, and we're on some random road, Gold's Rim Trail, I think. It was pretty much the turn off of the highway, and it was like a weird, narrow-ish, steep dirt hill, and I wasn't sure if the truck was gonna fit, but Onyx Off-Road said it fit, so we're going with that. So let me try to get the drone up in the air, see if I could get it to follow us, even though I kind of need my phone for navigation, but I'm not sure if I mean, it's one road, but we'll see. I'm gonna try this again. I think I need the case off the phone. I was already running with no case for a while, and I don't know if that's gonna focus, but that happens. Try to do this. Oh, I almost dropped it again. I'll take this guy off. Take this guy off. We're learning here. And we're getting somewhere. Maybe if we could connect would be nice. Oh, remote's got to be on. Really dark. All right, let's maybe move this over a little bit more. Let's try this out. Hopefully that worked. I think it did. It's still flying up. I'm gonna land it somewhere because I did get a warning about a airport nearby. Should probably land it. Gotta get used to this Onyx, this app, but it seemed to be pretty high up. It's kind of cool. There's a little bit of a fork in the road. There's up, and then that way, I think we're supposed to go that way. Not completely sure. I don't know how much further I'm gonna go anyway, because I'm by myself, and obviously I don't want to die out here if anything happens, but there's that. Hopefully the drone footage came out cool. I mean, I might try to get a little bit more drone footage, but hopefully I got it working, and I could use the drone to my advantage more often. I guess I'm just going to snap a couple pictures or something, and then I don't know if I'm going to turn around or maybe just go up a little bit more and then turn around. I don't know. Oh, it seems like this has turned into a dirt road, which is kind of cool because you could drive a little faster on it. So I'm going to get the drone up in the air. Hopefully we're further away from this airport. I don't really see. We'll see. Just follow. Righty. Okay, it's pretty noisy out there. So, decided that's going to be the turnaround. That's the Gold's Rim Trailhead or something like that. GOULDS. It's not all public land, I don't think, but some of it's public land. And it's pretty cool. There's more dirt road areas, a lot cooler. I find this more fun than pulling over rocks. Just because you could go a little bit faster, I find that more enjoyable, personally. But gonna head back a little bit. I don't know what else we're gonna do. I don't know if we're gonna do anything else or just head back and just make a nice short one of a little exploration trip. Having fun out here. Just do a little normal weekday exploration. I guess it's a lot. Wow, it's a lot quieter during the day, I would assume, than on the weekend. I haven't gone out on the weekends yet, but it would make sense if it was quieter during the day, during the regular work week. Looks like I'm gonna have to do some sort of like bolt check or something, because I think these past 2 days or multiple excursions of off-roading has loosened some stuff up here. I have an extra rattle, which might be a dust shield or whatchamacallit shield. Why is this guy still going? Hold on, 1 second. The rattling might be a dust shield or skid plate, because it kind of sounds like something like that. I don't know if there's a rock just in the little dust shield of the brake rotor, which is also another possibility. But I feel like there's a couple other things that sound a little loose, so I'm gonna have to go over some of the stuff. I do have new upper control arms coming that I'm testing out, so stay tuned for that video. I think they actually just shipped today. I think I got the email actually while I was on this little trail here, so stay tuned for that for sure. Oh yeah, I'm also thinking of getting the Timbren active bump stops for front and rear. I hear that helps out the ride a lot, actually smooths it out, and also some sort of rear suspension. I know I could just throw the Add-A-Leaf on, but I'm thinking I might get Devers, which are the leaf springs if you're not familiar with it. Yeah, I think so. I don't know yet. I know video never does it justice, but oh, I just hit my head. I'm assuming that's just the brakes. Yeah. Like I said earlier, just to turn off of the main road. Also, I think I need to get some chase lights for the rear of the truck. Probably just wind up linking it to the ditch lights, just so anyone coming up from behind can see that there's a truck there or whatever through the dust. Probably gonna order those soon too. I think so.